Good morning. My boyfriend's sleeping, so we cannot talk. But I'm gonna be making coffee. It's my favorite. My favorite. Oh, look at my bags. Cute. Oh, I'm so hungry. Taking my vitamins. I think I'm gonna be catching up with some work because I really need to, even though it's the holidays, I have to finish. I think I'm gonna drink some chlorophyll. It's in powder form, so I only use 1 teaspoon. This much is enough. Here it is. Looks disgusting. Coconut milk. Boiled potato, lentils and bulgur with coconut milk, cucumber and some tofu for protein. Shopping. We got back from the store and we literally got everything. So soy yogurt for me, these amazing pumpkin seed crackers, chocolate bars for my boyfriend, white mushrooms, 2 brisée, how do we call this, pastry thingy, because I'm gonna make a pumpkin pie with it, frozen fruit from Lidl, these quinoa burgers. They're super yummy and super healthy. I feel like vegan chicken nuggets. This is a bulgur and lentil mix. I already had it today, but I wanted to eat it again. Packaged tofu. I can have it with everything and it's full of protein, which I love. Ginger, just look at this ginger. Isn't it the cutest thing you've ever seen? It looks like a huge crab, but at the same time like a heart. Cos loves these yogurts. Bananas. Plain spaghetti for cost. A sweet chili sauce. Another onion. A green juice I wanted to try. It looks good. It has apple, mango, spinach, avocado, and banana. Double A salad. Some pesto for Cos spaghetti. Persimmons because they're the coziest fall fruit. I got the chickpea fusilli. The green pea pen. And the red lentil rollini. I have never seen pasta like that. 2 pears because I love pears and we cannot carry that much because we were on foot, so just got 2. A bag of carrots, corn, another one, 2 coconut creams. So this is everything. And all of this cost 47 euros total. Now I'm gonna try to put everything back because Cos is working, and I think I'm making a coffee because I'm super sleepy. I don't know why I'm so sleepy. big. I think I got it. Ta-da! Pumpkin seeds. Let's hope they're yummy.
Soup is almost ready.
They just got out of the oven. And they're so yummy. Is it yummy? You're like, for dead.